Well, welcome again to Romark Farms on this, I think it's the 28th day of May of 2018. What we're looking at right here is it's turned sideways, as you can tell. Right here's the gas inlet right here. And this is the inside. This is the floor vent that goes in the duct on the bottom. What we're looking at is a Suburban furnace that goes in the 67 Holiday Rambler. The only two things that don't work on this is the igniter. The igniter don't work, and we had a hole right here in the throat of this cap right here, and this is the heat exchange right here, and it cannot have any oxygen in it. It has to burn in order for the heat to carry itself, and so I had to fill this hole in right here. So what I did was I took JV weld and I put it right here, if you can see closely right here. I let it set overnight, well really almost all day and then all night last night, and it's as hard as it can be. And I just looked on the package right here, and it said that if I can get this up here a little closer, see if it won't focus. Anyway, it won't focus here. So it says that it can withstand it will withstand temperatures up to 550 Fahrenheit when fully cured. So I don't have a problem with that heat in that. And the most wonderful thing about it is this, that when I held it in there to dry, I just sanded this and cleaned this up. That cap fits on there. Of course, for purposes of being able to screw that cap, I undid this screw right here, and of course this screw goes right here. Okay? And we'll put that screw right back in there. That's the way it originally went. Right there. And we'll tighten that up right there. And that pleases me. So this is a Suburban NT30CS model furnace. Like I said, the thermostat works. This is the thermostat wire. And this right here is the power wire, which is direct power, which is 12 volt right here. Okay? That is beautiful. And I am really pleased at this. And then my Magic Chef oven right here, it works. The burners need to be cleaned up here a little bit. And all the appliances work. Right here is the Domatic refrigerator, and it works. So to repair this, let me set you up here so I can free my hand up, okay? To set this up right here. Yesterday I was taking a grill apart. I'm getting ready to clean some meat chickens, and I wanted to incorporate this little grill. I'm going to try to do this without knocking the camera over. And what I did here was, see this igniter? This igniter right here. This igniter come off that old grill. And right here is the end right here. So I'm going to incorporate this on a cabinet somewhere and bring this through here, maybe through this door or something, and make it to where this will work. And that'll fix my igniter right there. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do there. So I appreciate you stopping in. Once again, it's an NT30CS 24,000 to 30,000 BTU furnace that goes in a 67 Holiday Rambler trailer, and it works. And I was able to successfully fix this right here. So I'm real happy. Thank you once again for watching and stopping in. And I will get with the fellows there at the Vintage Holiday Traveler Club, Owners Club, and tell them Ramble on. Thank you so much for stopping in. Go ahead and make a suggestion. Go ahead and subscribe. Ring that little bell so you'll know that Bromark Farms is in the house. Thank you so much. We've got a lot going on here. I've got pieces and parts of this travel trailer that I got to put together. But there you go. Thank you so much. Be sensitive to the Spirit. Answer your convictions. And if the Lord calls upon you in your inner man, come to Him. That's the only thing He asks of us, was to come to Him, and the Holy Spirit will take care of the rest.